How to create AI videos in Fotor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So we in this home section. Basically, this is the place where you can find different tools and editing softwares. Here on the top, there's a section of AI video. Simply tap on AI video. So this is the place where you can do it. Here you can easily add your prompt and even add different images that you like. So you can simply add a prompt that you like. So enter the prompt, and here on the bottom you can even select the styles that you want to choose for your video. So after doing all of this, you can easily customize and hit on generate video now. Now it will generate the video that you want according to the prompt that you have just gave, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.